First up, we're going to have to cut the peaches in half. I do this before skinning them just because they get really slippery after you take that skin right off. So this is going to be super simple to do if it is a freestone peach. If it is not a freestone peach, then you will have to cut the seed out. Next, we're going to bring a saucepan of water to a rolling boil and throw those peaches right in there and leave them in for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to go ahead and throw them into an ice bath. After about 10 seconds of being in the ice bath, we can pinch the piece of skin to get it started to peel, and it'll come right off. This makes it a super easy way to peel peaches. If they aren't ripe enough for this, you'll have to peel them with a peeler. Then you can go ahead and cut them or not cut them, whatever your recipe calls for. But go ahead and let me know in the comments what you're going to be making with your fresh peaches.